going on? Just going to tear down this Toshiba. It's called an FM AM stereo cassette recorder, made in Japan. It's probably from the 80s maybe, just at a random, just at a guess. But I've already had it apart, and it's pretty easy to take apart. But trying to fix it and wasn't able to fix it, so gonna possibly have another go at it. But I thought I'd do a tear down video anyway. So there's 5 screws here on the front, one here, and I have to take this knob off too. One over here. Two down the bottom. And then got to pop this flathead screwdriver. Doesn't open up. There is a screw under this thing, so this isn't opening, but just able to open it like that, and then screw in here. And this front case just pops off. And there it is. We will just move these out the way, at the road. This here just pulls up. This wasn't attached at all for me, it just sits on these two things here. And there. Can't see if there was actually once screws in there and someone's been inside it. Someone may have actually been inside it. And then there's just 2 wire connectors that come out. There we go, that's that. And then that's pretty much it for the teardown. This just pops out too. and yeah, I guess I'm going to have another crack at trying to repair it. Some